Hello to all. We are team number 6. The entrepreneurial case in which we are a part of is 5G Open Radio Access Networks in Event Management. My name is Boriana, and my teammates are Natko, Maria, Yasi, and Ali. Natko and I are going to present our solution, and the name of our service is called Next Gen Events.
We offer designing and implementing a 5G network that can be used for communication at an event. We are going to target event management companies that are in need of this type of services, and event organizers are looking to improve their events. They're always keeping up with the newest technologies, and that is why they will be looking for a company that can deliver such a service. Information technology and the ability to connect and communicate is a fundamental part of how our society operates. And in today's digital ecosystem, telecommunications has become the foundation for businesses, governments, communities, and families to seamlessly connect and share information. Events are no exception, and every event needs a network through which people can share their experience with their friends and families. And in that way, event organizers need this network to be fast, secure, and reliable, and of course to have the capacity for hundreds and maybe thousands of people.
This is Yakov. He is an event manager and he organizes all kinds of events, from birthday parties to big music festivals or job fairs. Yakov is always looking for new ways to improve his customers' experience at these events. He puts his heart and soul into every event that he organizes, and after months of hard work and trying to think of every possible eventuality, it is heartbreaking if things don't go exactly to plan. It seems even more distressing if he would receive complaints. I mean, do they not realize how hard he worked to avoid anything like this happening? And on the other hand, everything could be going great, but an attendee may still voice a complaint if something isn't to their exact liking. And of course, the saying goes that the customer is always right. If Yakov can deal with a complaint at his event successfully, he may secure himself a customer for life and turn a negative experience into a positive one. Nearly all customers would recommend a company to their friends if a complaint had been resolved efficiently. We can help Yakov by making a fast and reliable 5G network for his event, so he will be able to keep in touch with every attendee and tend to their needs and complaints. The attendants can communicate with each other through this network. They can communicate with the staff of the event. For example, if they want to order food or drinks, they can do it remotely. They won't have to go and wait in line. And also through this network, attendants can be alerted for situations, distressing or exciting situations. If, for example, there is a situation concerning the security at the event, if someone feels threatened and wants to alarm others, they can immediately send an alarm signal that will notify the staff, the organizers, and the security, and they can take measures and notify the other attendants. This is if there is a bad situation. If there is an exciting situation, for example, the event is a big music festival and there are a lot of stages that are positioned in different locations, the attendant can be notified who is going to perform on which stage. Or if there is an occurrence happening in some part of the venue, the attendants can get notification showing the map of the venue and where this occurrence is. This kind of communication is very helpful and interactive, and attendants will enjoy their experience at the event more.
In order to create our network and offer our service, we will have a container building with some servers in a hidden place at the event, so the communication and the service is provided locally for our users. This is our cloud service that is placed close to the users, and it is good because the latency is low and the capacity can be handled locally. Then we have our equipment connected to the server facility, and this is the hardware behind our ORAN solution. I would like to comment here, just ORAN is Open Radio Access Network. Basically, it's a standard that supports interoperation between vendors' equipment.
Okay, so from the society and sustainability aspect, we offer paperless events. Everything is going to appear on the attendance's phones, like a map of the venue, maybe brochures for different activities. And doing this, we will help the environment by not having to buy paper and saving a tree. And afterwards, there will be no paper garbage left at the event. Our solution will reduce energy consumption and emissions. According to international standards, 5G requires much less power to operate than 4G, which means using less energy while transmitting more data. For the events, our 5G network linked to the IoT will also reduce energy consumption as devices will be able to turn on and off automatically when not needed. We are also going to find and use manufacturers for our equipment that offer sustainable products and solutions. When the usage life of our equipment comes to an end, we will try to reuse and recycle the raw materials used in order to minimize the waste of these materials, like maybe separating the metals from plastics and trying to reuse them for future products. The quality of the connection we offer will also contribute to the quality of education, as those attending, for example, conventions will be able to learn better in good conditions. Also, with our 5G network, the transmission of these conventions by video conference will be of good quality and secure too, and this will allow us to reach a wider audience.
The advantages over our competitor companies are that we offer improved security for users and their data, better network coverage in every part of the event venue and through every part of an event. We are also going to use, as we mentioned in the previous slide, manufacturers for our 5G equipment that offer sustainable products and solutions. Our competitors haven't yet done that. And while other companies may be more known, we will use every possible channel to advertise our service and communicate with interested event management companies, and we will try to build long-term customer relationships with them. But sadly, one big change to our everyday life happened.
So, the pandemic. The pandemic affects our launch because there are restrictions in every country and big events are not allowed. But we can maybe use this situation to offer our services to the government or businesses that are forming establishments for vaccinating people. We can build an indoor or outdoor network that can help the process of vaccination. For example, people can have alerts or notifications from the staff while they are waiting to get vaccinated, or maybe the staff can be notified as soon as a person has joined the network so that they can have an understanding of how many people are waiting to get vaccinated. And can notify them one by one via messages when they can come in the room or the tent to get vaccinated.
How do we get paid? Our solution is custom for every customer. We have three main tasks to do when building a network for an event. First, designing the network. Second, implementing the network and maintaining the network. Based on those tasks and user requirements, client requirements, we need to choose the amount of money that we will charge our customers for our solution.
Thank you for your attention. And now if you have any questions.